There have been people doing this for thousands of years knowing it helped them, but in terms of Western science, this is big news. And one thing we know is that stress depletes energy. Any time that we have to adapt to any kind of change in our life, that's going to consume energy, whether it's a good change or a bad change. And what kinds of stressors do you have? This is a short list. Worrying about the future, dealing with losses, friends, money problems, job issues, overwork, too many responsibilities, aging, illness, medications. Have I left anybody out? Those are just the general things we all deal with every day. And so how can we function better given all these stresses that we're trying to cope with? We need to increase our energy supplies and maintain them better and not waste them. And we also need to balance our stress response system, because when the stress response system is out of balance, we waste a lot of energy. So Dick talked about 2 parts of the system. And these are all things that help with energy, good night's sleep, healthy diet. But we're talking about mind-body practices that help balance the stress response systems. There are different components to the stress systems. There's the approach-reward component, and there's the avoidance-inhibition component that keeps us from doing foolish things that might get us injured. And there's also a fight, flight, or freeze mode, which I'm sure you've all heard a lot about. And these are all components of the stress system. What we are focused on is balancing 2 components